Hi millionaires. Today we're going to talk about statistics in backtesting, how to gather the statistics, how to use this information in your live trading, how to manage your capital, how can you use it in your live trading. So why trading statistics is so important? Trading statistic is important for take your emotions under control. That's the only reason for this. Statistics also gives knowledge about time, how long you need to trade to get positive results. Second, the signal statistics, how much signals are positive and negative, how long it takes. And the third is knowledge about risk. How big risk can you afford per trade, per day, week, month, and so on. What trading statistics will strengthen? If you have your strategy statistics, then you can say yourself which risk per order you can use in one or other trading situation. Knowledge will reduce your doubts about entering the market. Also, this fixes your trading risk management and capital management. This knowing reduces psychological pressure, and as a result your doubts about entering into trade will disappear. Even if a series of losses occur, you always know that in the long run your trading will lead you to the profit zone. Statistics is a very good base to get your emotions and discipline under control. How I collect statistics about my strategy, about my losses and profits and risk-reward ratio, and so on and so on. For that case, I programmed Expert Advisor. It's a manual Expert Advisor. So how to collect statistics? First of all, you need to open a terminal. I will use MT4, it's a MetaTrader 4. Second, you need to start backtesting tester. You need to choose Expert Advisor named HurtLocker PRO. It's a semi-manual Expert Advisor. This Expert Advisor helps you to calculate the risk, shows some signals. It searches some signals, for example, divergences, stochastics, overbought, oversold zones, bear and bull engulfing, and much more. How to use it? First, you need to start test in MetaTrader. Then you choose HurtLocker PRO Expert Advisor. You choose your symbol, it's a currency pair. Tick use data from till today. Also tick you use a visual mode, and just start your tester. The fourth, start trading a random time frame, but my advice is to use 1 hour time frame and any currency pair. The fifth point is open new Excel or maybe Google spreadsheets because it's free for using. Make 4 columns: currency pair, take profit, stop loss, and break even. And the sixth point is start trading with your expert advisor. It could be your personal expert advisor which help you to trade and gather statistics, and write down all your results. Now, the next thing that you need to know, this window. In the title you see the spread of this currency pair. The text editor, it's some kind of command prompt like in Windows. You need to write here something, some kind of commands, and after pressing the enter you get some actions. Next, the risk per order. My maximum risk per order is 1%. Next button, visualizer, opens horizontal lines like you see on the screen right now. And the blue line is entering price, the red line is a stop loss line, and green line is a take profit line. So what does it mean? It means that if price goes up and cross this blue line, we'll enter the market with stop loss and take profit. And stop loss is far away for percentage that is entered here in this window. At the moment it's 1%, so it's 1% far away from entering the blue line. Next checkboxes is signals that could be shown on the chart. It's divergence, engulfing, daily open lines, and stochastics. It's just simple signals. It doesn't mean that you needed to enter the market. It's only the opportunity to enter. But anyway, I need to calculate risk. The transform button is to transform these horizontal lines into real pending order. You need just click the transform button and lines will be transformed into real pending orders. The last one, my advice is write down your statistics. You can use Microsoft Excel, for example, Google spreadsheets, or even Notepad. It doesn't matter which software you use. Do matter that which numbers are you're writing down. So you get the knowledge about your weakest and strongest sides will come only when you do some efforts towards gathering trading statistics. No other way will bring you to consistent and profitable trading. So, how to collect statistics? Let's just do it. Save information about your losses and take profit. For this case, you need just Google Docs, where you open the new spreadsheet, and you need to write also the currency pairs that you want to test. 3 other columns are take profit, stop loss, and break even. Open this currency pair for testing. Pair is open, and I'm gonna collect the statistics about my enterings and stop losses. Started this robot, and at the moment I do not see any enterings. It's the 1st of January, and I'm waiting for my signal. So here is it, and I need to open visualizer, change the lines order. Next, what I want to do, transform these lines to real pending orders. So I write in a text box here only one letter, T, or I can write transform lines will be transformed into pending orders with stop loss and take profit. Your take profit is also here. What I need to do next is just wait. I'm waiting, will it be stop loss or take profit? So now we had the take profit. It's good news for me, and I open my Google spreadsheets, and for AUD USD I set the take profit set to 1. No stop losses at the moment. It's 0. Break evens, it's also 0. But this document is not finished yet, and you need to end this test until the end of January. You need to fill all the stop losses, all the take profits that you get, and fill the document. So which information is needed most? For improve your trading in live account, you need to collect this information. First of all, count all your positive and negative trades. Second, which risk-reward ratio was the best to get take profit using your signal? The third, which part of the market, it could be downtrend or uptrend or flat, trades was the most profitable and which is unprofitable for your signal. And a fourth, how big risk per order was the best for your psychology. That takes your emotion under control. So when all numbers are gathered, then analyze them. So let's try another signal, and our entry will be here. Click the show open P&L, so we're gonna see profit and loss of just exact order, and in percentage you're gonna see this. If it goes positive, so the color will be green, and if your will be negative, it will be in a red color. Now we entered the market. We now see this information about this order. It's now positive. Will it be in the future? So we're gonna see it soon. And now we get take profit again, and 2%. So 2 orders started by my strategy during one day. It's 1 hour chart, and we got 2 take profits. So I put this information into my statistics page. So it's only one day, but my advice is to you to do this back testing during some exact time. The longest period you test, the better for your statistics. The longer the period, the better results. Because if you know your results during the back tests, you know what you are doing during your live trading. And a bottom line, the more numbers you get for your signal, the more strength for yourself you will get. This will help you in live trading. And knowing your weakest and strongest sides in trading will lead you to the profit zone. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask me. And of course, put like